Right, I'm just going to show you this case, this clear plastic soft case that I got for my Moto X4. You can actually see it on the actual phone. Pretty simple. Pop it on like so. And it's close up. Now, one person who reviewed this said that they thought that the bumpers in the corners don't actually add that much in terms of bulk. Now, I actually think that the whole case does actually add a fair amount of bulk, in my opinion. But it's a cheap case. That's fine. So there we go. This is how it actually looks on the phone. Another thing that I noticed in the product description, it said laser cutouts for buttons. Well, these aren't actually cutouts. These are actually covers that go over the top of the buttons, which I didn't want, because I've had covers like that before, and unless the button covers match up absolutely perfectly, you have problems. But there's no problems with this at all. It's fine. The buttons work fine. So I'm okay with that. That's cool. A little bit of added protection, I suppose, to the buttons. There you go. That's how this cover looks actually on a Moto X4. Oh, as you can see there, it's so shiny. It's those fingerprints are on the cover, not the phone. I've cleaned the phone. I'll just brush that off. This is a dead kitten I found by the side of the road. I loved it so much I had it stuffed, so I use it as a cleaning rag now. It's cute. I'm lying. I'm kidding with you. Anyway, there we go. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. It is completely clear though, there's no colour to it at all, so if you've got the other Moto X, the coloured Moto X, something blue I think it is, this case is going to look great on that, I guess. Thanks for watching. Hope you didn't fall asleep.